Welcome to our channel. Tired of spending hours in the kitchen? Think cooking a decent meal requires a Michelin star? Think again. Today we're diving into 5 easy 3-ingredient recipes you can whip up in no time, even if you're a complete disaster in the kitchen. First up, banana pancakes. A delightful and nutritious way to start your day. Grab some overripe bananas, the riper the better for sweetness. Mash them up in a bowl until smooth and creamy. Crack in a couple of fresh eggs. The eggs will help bind the mixture and add a rich texture. Add a pinch of baking powder to give the pancakes a nice lift. Mix everything well until you have a smooth batter. Heat a non-stick pan over medium heat. Dollop the batter onto the pan, making small to medium-sized pancakes. Cook until bubbles form on the surface and the edges look set, then flip and cook until golden brown. Serve your delicious banana pancakes with a drizzle of honey, a dollop of creamy yogurt, or a handful of fresh fruit. The toppings add extra flavor and nutrition. With just 3 main ingredients and minimal effort, you have a breakfast fit for a king. Perfect for busy mornings or a relaxed weekend brunch. Next up, we have a treat that's dangerously easy to make: peanut butter cookies. Start by scooping a generous amount of creamy peanut butter into a mixing bowl. The rich, nutty aroma will already start to fill your kitchen. Add a cup of sugar to the peanut butter. This will give the cookies their sweet, irresistible flavor. Mix well until the sugar is fully incorporated. Next, crack in a large egg. The egg will help bind the ingredients together, creating a smooth, cohesive dough. Mix everything together until a smooth dough forms. You want to make sure there are no lumps and that the dough is well combined. Roll the dough into small balls about the size of a walnut. Place them on a baking sheet, then use a fork to flatten each ball, creating a crisscross pattern on top. Bake the cookies in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit until they are golden brown and slightly crispy around the edges, which should take about 10 to 12 minutes. Let the cookies cool on a wire rack for a few minutes. Once they are cool enough to handle, enjoy them with a cold glass of milk. The perfect combination of sweet and savory in every bite. Let's spice things up with some delicious chicken tacos, perfect for a speedy Mexican fiesta. Start with a cooked rotisserie chicken, which saves you time and effort. Shred the chicken into bite-sized pieces. Toss it in a pan with some quality taco seasoning, ensuring every piece is well coated. Heat it through until it's warm and flavorful. Meanwhile, warm your tortillas on a skillet or directly over the flame for that authentic touch. Now, it's time to build your tacos. Place a generous amount of the seasoned chicken onto each tortilla. Add your favorite toppings to make it your own. Think salsa, guacamole, sour cream, shredded cheese, lettuce, tomatoes, and maybe even a squeeze of lime. The possibilities are endless, so get creative and mix and match to your heart's content. Finally, take a bite and enjoy the explosion of flavors in every mouthful. These chicken tacos are sure to be a hit at any gathering or even just a quick weeknight dinner. Now, baked salmon. Fresh salmon fillets, drizzle with olive oil. Squeeze lemon over the fillets. Season with salt and pepper. Bake until cooked through and flaky. Serve with a simple side salad or roasted vegetables. Restaurant-quality meal with minimal effort. Finally, chocolate mousse. Use good quality chocolate, chop and melt it. Whip heavy cream until stiff peaks form. Gently fold melted chocolate into whipped cream. Spoon into serving dishes, cover, and refrigerate. Let it set for a couple of hours. Rich, chocolatey, and the perfect way to end a meal. There you have it. 5 easy 3-ingredient recipes anyone can make. Impress your friends and family with minimal effort. Like this video, subscribe for more quick and easy recipes, and share your culinary masterpieces with us. RECETTES Cuisines. Until next time, get cooking, and remember, anyone can cook.